I'm sure you know, the God we serve is not a joke. I'm sure you know, the God we serve is not a scam. When you see a man that is held by God, you will see His glory all over him. When you see a man that is held by God, you will see His glory all over him. When you see a man that is loved by God, you will see His beauty all over him. And then you know the God we serve is not a joker. I'm sure you know the God we serve is not a scam. It's not a scam. It's not a scam. It's not a joke. It's not a scam. It's not a scam. Oh. It's not a scam. It's not a joke. It's not a scam. Oh, I'll show you the God we serve is not a joke. I'm sure you know. Talking. Let them keep talking. I know God is God. God, oh, God, oh, God, oh. God, God, God. I know I'm sure you know the God we serve is not as God. God, 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 God. We are sure you are not as God. Let them keep disbelieving. We know you're not as God. I've seen firsthand the God we serve is not a joker. I know you know God we serve is not as God. He's not as God. He's not a joker. Always believe. Never lose your faith. He's not a joker. He doesn't play pranks with your life. I know you know the God we serve is not a joker. He's not a man that he should lie. Elebarandia corre berindia scavella diandoco. Berebia all India, combre dia cola dia dora casa delesh. Vredi lo combre in the lico di minamascovera di namascoda yava. We know who saved us, we loves us. We know who we believe, we know. The words we stand on, we know. Let them keep talking. Let them keep accusing. Let them stay in disbelief. But we that have been called by the Lord, we know who sent us. We know what He has said to us. We know the words we stand on. Definitely, the God we serve is not a joker. I'm sure you know. God, oh, God, 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 God. I know you know it's God. Let them keep talking. I'm sure you know it's God. I'm sure you know the God you serve is not a joke. I'm sure you know the God we serve is not as God. God is helping us. God is helping us. God is helping us. God is helping us. I'm sure you know the God I serve is not a joke. I'm sure you know. I'm sure you know He's not as God. The same way He delivered the children of Israelites from the wilderness, the same way He delivered you from that mess some years ago, is the same way He will deliver you. Because He's God the deliverer. He's God the deliverer. He does not leave you stranded. He said, I will be with you till the end of the age, till the end of the earth, till the end of the world. He won't leave you stranded. He's not a man that breaks hearts. He doesn't disappoint. He doesn't play ojoro, 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 ojoro. He does his own part of the deal. He doesn't play ojoro, 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 ojoro. I know you know the God we serve is not a joke. I'm sure you know the God we serve is not as God. Take it to the banks.